didn't even see you guys there. But let's get into this video real quick. You know, today I'm gonna rate people's builds. I'm gonna do it 1 out of 10, and I'm gonna tell you why I rated it, the number why I rated it. I kind of got like 20 cars, but I wanted to cut it down, make it quick and easy, because you know I'm trying to keep your attention. And yeah, let's get into the video. Like, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 by the end of the year. I know I've been slacking. Car went down. I went down, so I've been slacking. But soon we're gonna be back, and I'm gonna get another car. Then we can go crazy, like for real. Like you gotta stop playing around. All right, let's get into it. I kind of lost my voice. I don't know how, but yeah, I don't know how, but I lost my voice a little bit. Let's get into it. First car we got, Psychotic N54. Psychotic, he lives close to me. He has a Beamer. I don't think anything's really done to it. I like the build. I used to be a Beamer boy, the 325i. The color is cool. He has carbon. So I like it. Outside looks pretty clean. I know he works for an auto body shop and da-da-da-da. But it's a clean car. Outside, looks-wise, I give that 7.5 out of 10. Good looks. Maybe a carbon hood or like carbon fenders will be clean, not gonna lie to you. And it's a 4-door. I love 4-doors, you know. But engine-wise, I don't specifically know what's done to the engine, but I know he wants to make it fast with the upgraded turbos, and so a whole entire build, 7.5. HB Superman. He's a part of my car club, Bull Society for the win. He has a Supra. I'm not a big fan of the Supras, looks-wise, but for the engine-wise, they have a good engine, like good outlets to make your car fast. I know his car is pushing around 700 horsepower. Wheel horsepower, something around that, so I'm gonna give him a 9 out of yeah, I'm gonna give him a 9 out of 10 because that's dope. Like when you have a car like this, brand new almost, and you do stuff to it, you're not being a chicken, that's pretty cool. Alex Elias, my boy, close boy. He got a 2020 wide body Scat. It's clean. It's a clean car. I am not a fan of the boats because they're just boats. But it's a clean car. You see other ones like that are like this with stripes, and they're pretty. You see other ones with stripes and they look alright, but this one keeps it clean, washes it. Like it's a clean car. I'm gonna give him an 8 out of 10. He does nothing done to the engine wise. It's stock, but I think an intake, muffler delete type of thing. So it's a clean car though. Then we got Alex Arev. One of my enemies. Now I'm just playing as one of the boys, tuned by Admin from the Bay Area. He's I believe he's single turbo on his manual 370Z. This picture right here is hard. Like those wheels on the back are stupid chunky, and he has almost the same setup as me basically, front and back for the wheels, but they're like aggressive chunky. I feel like he should add some carbon. Like I mess with the color is dope. It's a newer 370, but I think he needs some carbon. Something you need to add something, Alex. It looks like a sleeper, but you need to add something dope. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 too, but I want you to do something dope to it, please. E-Man GT 650. I don't know why. I just realized that's his name, but I'm gonna give this car a hard 9 out of 10 because, bro, I saw this car when it was stock, basically nothing done. Now he got wheels, tuned. Upgraded pulley, freaking manifolds, I believe. Bro, it's a brand new car and he's not scared to touch it. He's trying to push a lot of horsepower, and I respect him for that. I want to ride in it, but I think I'll still gap him. I'm just playing. I don't know. Honestly, I think he would gap me because you know that's a VA, and he's dope for what he did. I'm not gonna lie, he wasn't scared to take his car to the limits and push it to the limits. 9 out of 10. Clean color too, and I don't see a lot of GT500s are rare to come across anyways, but GT500s upgraded are even better. Miguelito 3.7, just the NAG. I don't know why he has drags if he's not pushing. Oh, maybe he wants to hook when he's doing like races against digs or whatever. I'm not a fan of the intakes, but I am a fan of the 4 doors. You know, 4 doors for more what, and then he has a GTR headlights. I always wanted those, but they kind of grown on me. I'm gonna give him a 7 out of 10. I don't like the intakes, but it's a clean color. I think it's wrapped. I can't tell. It's like a purplish. Next car is Nismo Low. He's tuned by Admin as well. He got bags, he got carbon. I think the paint's messed up a little bit on the front bumper, but it's a clean. I'm not a fan of 370s that much, but it's a clean 370. I'll have to give him a 7 out of 10 too. I like his headlights. His headlights are pretty dope to me. And he's bagged, and you know he's tuned, so he did some stuff to the car. So he has his fun with it. But 7 out of 10. A good car. We got a certified G right here. Certified G is out of Arizona. He's another boosted boy. I don't know who he's tuned by. I forget. But all my boosted sedans, we almost all follow each other, like the known ones, I guess. And so I followed Certified G for a minute. I think I followed him before I was boosted because his car, this color, the highlighter color, I liked it. Like, it's loud, but like you don't see G's like that. You're like, damn. And then especially like he's boosted. I give his car an 8.5 out of 10 for sure. Lights and everything. I think he has a new wheel setup, but oh yeah, it is. I just saw it. But yeah, I missed the yellow. Go back to yellow, please, Certified G. The boy with the Honda, you know, he's from the Bay Area. I'm not a fan of Hondas, but I am a fan of sleeper cars. So since this is a sleeper car, I'll probably give it an 8 out of 10 just because it's a sleeper car. And he has a YouTube too. He be doing some work to some other cars, but he's in the same boat as me right now. I forgot what blue. I know he's building his engine, but 8 out of 10. I mess with the carbon. I love carbon. I wish I could have my whole car carbon. If they sold carbon sedan doors, I would be carbon everywhere. But it's a clean car. G37 Edgar, just a clean 2-door coupe G37. I think he used to have a carbon hood. He should have kept it. It's like a car that it's clean. I give it an 8 out of 10 as well. It has a GTR headlights. He needs some wheels. I know he used to have some other wheels. 8 out of 10 though. At Theory of Season, I saw this guy at a meet and I ended up DMing someone he knew, and I was trying to get the fenders off him. He still doesn't want to send me the fenders. He wants to trade me the fenders for the Supercharger kit. But it's white underneath, which is clean. And this color, I'm not gonna lie, it's a loud color, really loud color. But it just works. Like you know, it's gonna break necks type of color. You know, it's not like it's just a dope car. He needs to get tuned, get some like mods in there, and just get some flames so he can shoot some flames. I know that's what he wants to do, but it's a clean color. I'm not gonna lie. Like he pulled it off. So I'm gonna give him a 8.5 out of 10 for sure. For sure, because he got the carbon. And the interior is clean as well. He's more of a looks guy more than the speed. Because I'm a speed guy over looks. But after my speed is done, like my engine, I'm finna go crazy with the looks. Dad's G37 car, you know, that's my inspiration car. I boost this twin turbo, you know, see I'm doing it, pushes some good power. I need to race him, but I give that car a 9.5 out of 10, not a full 10. There's a better sedan that's boosted, I'm not gonna say who, but I feel like he has one of the cleanest sedans. But yep, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. I'm not trying to keep it long, I'm trying to keep it nice and easy because I know a lot of people got like small brains and they don't have an attention span for more than like 6 minutes. And I'm just trying to keep it interesting, so that's why I was just hammering through all of them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me if I should make another one like this. I'm trying to make videos like this as my car is down, because once my car is back, I know what I'm gonna record. I have a whole list behind me, but I gotta make stuff that right now I can make. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Get me to 1,000 followers by the end of the year. That's the goal. If I get to 1,000 followers, I might do a giveaway. I have some stuff that I should just give away because I know a lot of people they want fast cars, or they just want some stuff done to their cars. I can try to help them. So thank you for watching, and peace.